Hi, all you YouTubers out there coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. Check this out. We are at my vintage 1986 slot machine. Why am I showing everybody the insides and the guts of my slot machine? Well, I'll tell you why. I was looking at some videos and thinking about doing a post today, and I could not find any videos on what a slot machine on the insides looked like. There's plenty of people that tell you how to play them, how to go ahead and find a winner, which ones are good, which ones are bad, but basically you never look at the insides of them here. Of course, these insides are from the 1980s, mid 1980s. There's a lot different. This one here actually has a counter on the side that also too shows the payout on what's going in and what's going out on it too. It does also too have a counter on it with a counter switch on it, a lever that basically you keep on tapping on it, tapping on it, tapping on it, and it will justify the payout. It starts at 100% payout, then it keeps on going down, 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 and this one can go all the way down to zero. And what that means, you can go ahead and play this 24/7, day and night, and you will not get a payout on this one. This one works in for tokens. Also, too, it does work in quarters too. This is one of my favorite ones that I decided to keep because this is the Budweiser, and after I finish with this video, I think I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a Bud. I just want to go ahead and talk about this briefly on this too. Of course, slot machines nowadays with technology, they're hooked up to AI. You have the internet, they're all hooked up to a network and everything else on it too. So they do vary and different, but I do not have any modern day slot machines that I could do a video on. And I thought it would be fun to go ahead and do this because this is the middle of the road. You had the earlier models that basically didn't have all the LED lights like this one does. And basically I want to do something. This one here is the most modern one that I tend to have. If you have any comments, any thoughts, or something like that, it was my pleasure. I want everybody to have a blessed day. Enjoy your video. Goodbye for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.